Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to restore Windows Photo Viewer in Windows 11 using Registry Editor. Microsoft replaced the classic Photo Viewer app in Windows 11 with Photos, that is a modern, future-rich image viewer. However, if you like the simplicity of classic photo viewer, you can bring it back using Windows 11 registry editor. For this, you need to download a zip file that is available in Mediafire. I will provide the link in this video description. Just download it. After that, right click on this one file and select here extract all option. Then click on this one extract button. Now to enable classic viewer, right click on this one enable classic photo viewer option file and then select here open option. Now click on this one run button. Click on yes in case Windows prompts. Click on the yes button. Click on the OK button. Now to view any image using photo viewer, right click on the any photo. Select here open with option. Then click on this one choose another app. Now select this one Windows Photo Viewer and click on this one always option. Now your image will open in Windows Photo Viewer. To make it default photo viewer for other extensions such as JPG, PNG, you need to repeat the steps to make it default photo viewer on your Windows 11 PC. And in case you want default photo viewer, in the same folder you will find disable classic photo viewer. Just right click on it and select this one open option. Then click on this one run button. In case Windows prompts, click on the yes button. Click on the yes button. Click on the OK. After that, whenever you will right click on any photo and choose here open with option, you will see Windows Photo Viewer is missing. That means by default your all photos will be opened using Photos app that is built in on your Windows 11 PC.